Welcome back to Benson Bushcraft. This is
not an unboxing. Alright, so today after church, after you had like a little bit of a roast beef sandwich,
yeah.
What did we have for lunch that you and I shared?
We had the Mountain House meal. The chicken fajita bowl.
Yeah?
It was pretty good.
How was it?
It's pretty spicy.
What did you like most about it?
The only thing that tasted like it was dehydrated was the chicken. That's the only part that I didn't like that much. But other than that, I loved pretty much everything. Was it the right amount of spiciness for your 8-year-old tastes? Yeah, for me, but I wouldn't say for any. I wouldn't eat that if I was anybody like Grandma that hates spiciness. If you don't like spiciness, don't eat it. So
what was the whole process in like cooking this up? What did we do?
We got some water boiling, which is easy. You can do it on your stove, or if you have a French press, you can like boil some water in that, like a tea kettle. And then you pour 2 cups in, and
was it 2 cups? No. It says carefully add 1.5 cups.
1.5 cups.
Okay.
And then you let it rest for 5 minutes, and then ready to eat.
This is ready in 10 minutes. Oh, you know what? It says wait 5 minutes, stir again, and reseal. I wonder if we would have done that if the chicken would have tasted better. It says like reseal and let it sit for another 4 minutes. I bet that would have taken like that roughness off the chicken.
Yeah.
Don't you think? Well, next time we will read all of the directions.
Yeah.
Alright, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, what would you give the Mountain House Adventure Meals, even though we didn't cook it perfectly? Scale 1 to 10.
I actually was about to ask you that.
Were you?
Also, I would probably give it a 6.
A 6? Alright. So
what would you give it?
I think I'm like right there with you. I'd give it like, because I want to leave us like lots of room for like more incredible meals, I think.
Yeah.
That I think that we'll probably have.
Like we've had way better meals than that.
When we're camping.
Yeah, and just in general.
Right.
We've had
but you have
zillions of better meals.
Yeah, but you gotta like, you have to compare it to like camping food. You can't compare it to like it being in a nice restaurant. Like
You can't?
No.
Oh, then I would give that an 8.
An 8?
Compared to
other camping meals that we've had?
I thought you meant compared to luxury restaurants.
Is it better than the French fries that we made?
No, absolutely. Those French fries were a 20.
A 20?
20 out of 10. I got like carbon. Carbon tastes kind of good, actually.
Is this the best round so far?
Yes.
All right, did you save any for me?
No. They're really hot. You can't hold it for very long. Can you eat multiple at once?
Okay, you know the rest of them.
Thank you. This is the one.
And what did we do with the French fries? Do you remember?
We put them in apple cider vinegar and ketchup. So actually, I feel like the
but how did we fry them? What did we fry them in? Lard.
It was super good.
They were good. Okay. Do you have anything else to say about the chicken fajita bowl? I'd give it. I'm not gonna give it an 8. I give it.
Well, actually, no. Can I change my answer?
No.
I'm changing my answer. I actually feel like I want to give it a 7. Actually, 6.5.
6.5.
Compared to other camping meals.
I'm there with you. Like
6.5.
I didn't know that we could do halves, so. But yeah, I'll give it the 6.5. I was gonna give it a 6 or a 7, so 6.5 is a good in between. So next time we will remember to stir carefully, close zipper, wait 5 minutes, stir again, and then reseal and let it stand in another 4 minutes, and then maybe it would have tasted better. But maybe otherwise the spiciness and stuff was good. It was just that that roughness on the chicken that I didn't care for, but maybe that was our fault.
Mm-hmm. Or maybe you just can't cure that.
Maybe you can't. Anything else to say about
The meal? If you are in an emergency and you don't care, like if you're in an actual emergency and you don't care what your meal tastes like that much,
Right.
just put it in for 4 minutes.
Oh, right, yeah, just if you need to eat it and...
Like if you have to eat it like fast and you gotta
Right.
go, like that's
Yeah, that
good
was
meal.
sufficient, that 5 minutes that we did it. Right, okay.
Well, I thought we did. Oh yeah, we did
We did
5
5,
minutes.
yeah.
5 minutes.
All right.
Don't do it for 4.
That'd make it even rougher.
On the chicken.
All right, well, see you later, alligator.
After a while, crocodile. Well.